All right, what's up, guys? This is Mark Augustine, and in this video, we're gonna do a couple things. This young gentleman here, his name is Davin. Davin, you wanna just introduce yourself really quickly?
Okay, once more, guys. My name is Darvin from Nicaragua, Caribbean coast, Great Kern Island, and currently the youngest pilot from Nicaragua.
Okay, sweet. So what we're gonna do? So as you understand, he's the youngest pilot from Nicaragua. I'm teaching how to do Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. Now, I want to go through everything because I want to talk about what it takes to automate the business because Darwin is managing. I'm using an account to train Darwin to be, he's been doing it for a few days so far, but we're going to go deep and I'm training him to run an account. So, this is an account that I started to run a day ago. So, this is day one of Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. Now, what you're seeing here is team viewer. So first of all, those of you guys who want to hire VAs, those of you guys who want to hire any VAs that I've trained, you can comment on the video, send me a message. But you're going to want to use team viewer. Why? Because you don't want to use a VPN and log into Facebook from another location. You want to log into a computer with the IP address that's been logged into Facebook before because you cannot trick Facebook. So what you're seeing here is me logging into TeamViewer in the US with a client's Facebook account. And we listed yesterday. So today is what? The 12th. Right. So I listed this yesterday. 8 views. Wow. This got 243 views, 2 views. And all you lazy idiots, I know some idiots on YouTube are gonna still steal my fucking listings. But I'm not gonna be showing this account every day. This is just the first time. So this is day one. And I've listed 8 items on day one. Um 8 views. The biggest one is 243 views, 2 views, 4 views, 3 views, and so on. So I'm just showing you guys what's going on. Darwin has some questions, and I'm going to do some product research and go in deep and show him how to do product research really well. But I just want to show you guys what inside after day one looks like. It took me maybe, it was an easy 30 minutes. It only took me about 30 minutes to find those items, maybe an hour. I could have put in 2 hours and listed 20 items or so, but I listed 8 the first day. One of them got 243 listings views, which is the biggest one. But let me just go. I'm gonna minimize this and then just go into the product research. So, Davin, what was the question you were asking me before we started
Okay.
recording video?
Yeah, the question that I had was about the name, like listing names, keywords, and stuff like that. Like, those names that you list on your product, does that come from you or you get it from someplace else?
Right. So there are a couple things you could. I'll show you what I do, and then I can show you, and I know works. So let's look at what is the item you listed today. Remember,
Yeah, today was actually a hiking backpack. Yeah,
a
hiking backpack.
backpack. Okay. So
Hmm.
let me put hiking backpack. So let's see. And was it from Walmart? Where was it from?
It was from Walmart. Yes, like if you
Okay. So
scroll down a
no,
little
no,
bit,
I
you
don't
will
want to
see.
show the same one that you listed because people on
Ah,
YouTube will
okay.
steal the item and sell the shit. That's
All
just
right,
YouTube.
perfect.
But
Okay, cool.
but let's do so. What we use seeing here is FBM Fox. If you want to use FBM Fox, there's a link in the description with Mark 10% off. And what FBM Fox is a tool to do product research. Now, with the filters here, I wouldn't use competitors, but I want minimum sales. I'm going from Walmart to Facebook. So I want minimum sales of maybe 15, one every 2 days. So 15 a month. What these are the monthly sales. So I hit search. And what FBM Fox will now do is go, if you see these little things moving, I'll go through the listings and see what data they could find on the item. So I'm seeing a lot saying data not found. Let's see if anything else. Item not found. That's strange. Okay, so some are coming up.
Yeah,
Ah,
you need to scroll down.
no, no,
Make
no, no,
make
no. I
sure.
see. No, but look what I see. You see this here? This item says FBM Fox message, item not found. But
Mhm.
what I noticed is that this item is not a Walmart item. If you look in
Okay.
here,
Hmm.
it's sold by Nova Shun. So
Novation.
yeah, Novation, whatever. Yeah, sorry. So FBM Fox, that's the problem speaking Spanish and English only.
Yeah.
FBM Fox pulls mainly the Walmart sellers. So let's see what other data we have. So zero sales. Right. So some items. So this item sells, whoa, mama. This item sells $22,000 a month, but it's sold by Best Goods. So I don't really want to mess with Best Goods. So let me go to only retailers sold by Walmart.
Okay, well, I think that was one of my mistake that I did today
No,
when I
well,
was
I
just selling
don't say it's a mistake. So when you see an item sold by someone and shipped by Walmart, um, actually no, Walmart doesn't have a fulfillment center. I will go back and check that because you make sure and filter. Because look at this. Let me show you what I'm saying. Right. So what I was about to say on Amazon, there are sellers who sell on Amazon, but they ship the items in bulk into the Amazon, and Amazon ships it out to their Prime. Right. This item says sold by Novation and fulfilled by Walmart. Okay, so it's not fulfilled by Walmart themselves, but it's fulfilled by Deliver or a company that Walmart verifies. So you can trust that. So if you see sold by Novation,
innovation.
fulfilled by Walmart is one thing. But if you see sold by Novation, fulfilled by Novation, you don't want to sell any items that are not fulfilled by Walmart. You want to sell items only fulfilled by Walmart, okay? Because it guarantees that it gets there on time. Because a lot of people drop ship on these platforms. So now let's filter this down. Let's filter down to walmart.com. So remember, your question was, how do you do titling, right?
Yeah,
Keywords and all that stuff,
exactly.
right?
Yeah.
So first, you'll find an item that sells. So let's find an item with sales. So go FBM Fox, research. I want at least 15 sales a month and hit search. So let's see what it does. It'll take, and you can think about any other questions you have, Darwin, because this might take a couple of seconds. It'll be quick.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, let me see. What about payment methods? Like when people shop on Facebook. So when it comes to payment methods, people add their payment method to Facebook,
Yeah, so
and
they pay directly to Facebook.
mhm,
And so how this whole cycle works. So the
yeah.
Facebook account, you list on the Facebook account, you put it to sell, right? Let's you
Okay.
sell an item for $100. They
Mhm,
pay to the Facebook account with a credit card. That money goes into Facebook. You
mhm,
the you as the account manager will now use a payment method from the client to ship the item from Walmart to the buyer on Facebook. And
mhm.
5 days later, so after the item gets to the buyer who bought it from you from Walmart, 5 days
Okay.
later, then Facebook deposits your money to the owner of the Facebook account. You see what I'm saying? So that's how it takes a couple days to get the money back.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Why is this not? It's not pulling. Ah, yeah, did pull it. Okay, sweet. So I don't like items. You see this item that says 64 to 79? That doesn't
Mhm.
excite me because that's an item that has variations. I like items without variation, just cause less trouble. It's like this item, 44 bucks. It sold $30,000 in a month, 600 times a month. So that's what, 20 times a day. So that's an item I would list.
Mhm.
So let's open that. So you asked about titling. So
Yeah.
we have a couple options here. So let's first choose this. So we know it sells a ton. We know it's $44. So let's look for, you don't want to, this is an outdoor products. Copy. I would suggest the lazy way is to just use it, the title from Walmart, right?
Mhm.
Because if you look at this title, it's not that bad. It has outdoor products is a brand, right? Unisex outdoor travel, camping, hiking. So it has it's keyword filled, right?
Okay.
Previously,
Mhm.
Walmart wouldn't have that many keywords, but this is definitely keyword filled. But what you can do, so let's say you see this item here, right? So it's the same item. You can see that. What
Okay.
you would do is go to be a little more thorough if you actually want to do the work and get the best title possible. You come here And for example, this is the same item. And you can look for similar items. But this item hasn't sold because what you want to do is you want to find a listing on eBay that proves that that title works on eBay. You see what I'm saying? But it seems like I'm not seeing any other keyword filled item that proves proves that it's worth the time changing the title. So because this item sold 600 times, I would take I wouldn't, and the keywords are there, right? Like, it's not like a very basic title as a lot of other products would have. So I would list this title like this. I will list this actual item like this. So let me list now, and then I want to show you the pricing, right? Because it's important that you keep, Facebook allows for like 30 to 50% profit margins, right? So this item cost us to ship with free shipping, $44.43. You're gonna pay a little bit of taxes, whatever, but let's just say 44.43. You can get tax exempt. I'll make a video about tax exempt some other time. So what you want to sell it for, at the lowest I generally sell it for, is about 20% above or 25% above what the source price is, right? So let's say that the price is $45. 10% of $45 is $4.50. 20% of $45 is $4.50 by 2, so that's $9 more. So I would list this item for, let's say, if it's 45, I might list it for on the lower end 54, but I will push it up to maybe like 59. So this same item, you would list it here for 59. And maybe I should list this in the client's account. But when you list it for 59, Facebook will charge you 5%. And then you'll ship the item out for $44, and then you'll get like a profit margin of about 20%. So that's pretty much a basic product research lesson, as well as the titling thing is I have a lot of experience, so I kind of do a judgment call. You know what I mean? Like, I feel comfortable with that title. Someone who's just starting, there's a site called Titler. Hold on, let me find it. eBay Titler. I haven't used it on this computer. Right, eBay title builder. So there's this site, title-builder.com. I used to use it back in the day for eBay drop shipping. And it helps a lot. So if you go to title builder, you want to add 2 keywords. You could go to the Walmart item. And where is it? Where are you, baby? Where are you? This thing is blocking me. 1 second. All right, you could go to Walmart item. You could take, let's see, hiking backpack. Let's take the word backpack. Hiking, and no one searches for the word red. So let's see what options they give you. So what this tells you is the eBay data. So it says hiking is searched a lot, backpack is searched a lot. The extra, camping bag, outdoor, all of these are searched, military, travel, ruckpack, and all this stuff. And it gives you like the ratings. So then they give you an option: hiking, camping, backpack, bag, outdoor, tactical, blah, 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 blah. Shoulder, checking men, blah, blah. Which might be better. To be fair, this title, outdoor products, is not necessary because no one searches for a brand. Whitney is not necessary. No one searches for that. So if you wanted to make this better, what you could do is take, let's say, hiking, backpack, outdoor, tactical, all this stuff. All these search terms that this page tells us, you could take that, add it here, because some of them would be there already, right? So you add it here, and then you go and delete a lot of what was there. So you don't need P, solid. I don't think people search for unisex.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. I don't think people search for red, but they'll see the red because the title backpack is already there. Backpack is already there. Hiking is already there. I think rucksack, no. Right.
What about technical frame? Do you think that's necessary to be in there?
Yeah, I don't think technical frame. Who knows? Who knows? I can't, it's hard, like, you can't get it perfect. That's the thing. So when I look at this title, I see the first set is a ton of like very well key search terms, right?
Mhm.
Shoulder trekking. Yeah, so technical that doesn't show up. So shoulder trekking, I guess you could add that. So touche. Good luck. But you also want to find a balance. So let me fix this. So this would be, yeah, technical frame. From what the software says, no one searches for that. So you're right. So shoulder trekking, right? So that would be the best title I say you should use. Um, and it didn't take that long because you want to make sure and list. I would say on the lower end 10 items, but you want to list 20 items a day. The first day will take a long time. The second day will get better. The third day will get better. But on the very low end, you want to be listing at least 10 items a day. All you guys watching this, if you have someone running your account, you want them to list 10 items a day. But anyway, guys, that's the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comment section if you like it. If you want me to train someone to run your account, let me know in the comment section. Send me a message on Instagram. I'm not building a big office. I'm training a lot of you guys from home because I'm traveling between Ometepe, Managua, and the beach. And I think I'll set up my office again in Managua. I've been going back and I've already gotten the office, but that's a whole other story. But anyway, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. In the description, there's a link to FBM Fox, the free trial, and use Mark 10 for 10% off. Have a good one, guys.
Peace.
Is there anything else you want to say before we go, Davin? Are you good?
No, that would be it. It was very clear about the listing and product research as well. So yeah, I'm pretty clear about that.
Okay, sweet. So guys, I'll put a link to my Instagram and David's Instagram. If you have any questions, if you like this type of video, let us know. Have a good one, guys.